Hey guys, this is my new addition to my chainsaw collection. I got that one over there to the Mastercraft. Mastercraft. That one's not running right now. I got a Poulon over there, a Home Light, and the other one over there. This is the one right now I'm making a video on. It's a skill saw. I don't know how many cc's this one is exactly. It's not so saw. Just picked it up, cleaned it up, and shined her up a bit. Automatic oiler and choke right here. On-off switch. Not too much to the underneath, so dirty. Nice little bar on it. Chain's not that wore out. Let's see if I can get her to pull over. Yeah, it's a nice little saw. Not too heavy. I might use it on the sled to where I am. So if I can get this one working. Yes. I got this one up there. That one in the box. That one on the ground. That one in the box as we put it together. And well, the Poulon Micro SLV right there. She's no more good. I took it apart because the piston. I don't know if you can see that right there. Yeah, she kind of kaput. That one. That one there runs. That one there runs. That's a nice little one right there. I love it. Paid a good price for it too. Alright.